Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RG's Info. This video is about how to enter into Chatgpt and how to use this Chatgpt for Excel formulas. First, log in, then click on it. Log in Chatgpt. For login, you can use either Google account or Microsoft account. For giving query, it should be very simple terms, then only you can give perfect answer or formula. And whenever there is a query, it will be saved here, new chat. And it has got some limitations also because it is a new technology. It can give misinformation or wrong information. So it has got some database up to 2021. Simply we want to use in Excel. For that, simply write what is average in Excel formula. Simply write this type of language. We don't know any formula of average. How to use it? So this is the simple formula. We will check it as it is. We just copy here. So it works fine. Same way, it is giving some multiple range also. For example, A1 to A5 and B1 to B5. For that also it gives result. Again, same way, just copy this one. Since this is a simple formula, it works fine. Now, based on our requirement, we just raise question. Column D has employee ID. Column E employee name. Column F salary. Formula for getting details based on lookup value. Excel is very important because it can give any other program. So automatically it refers VLOOKUP function. So simply it gives step by step. Just copy this one. I put 103 here, then formula here. So you need to change here. Lookup value will be like a H1. Automatically it gives name as well as salary in one column. If I change this, it will work fine. Basically, it gives perfect formula and we have to do some correction on the formula. Then only it gives perfect answer. When we want some only one column, you have to remove the extra VLOOKUP here. So it means it works fine. The same way we can do for others also. For example, we want to do some conditional formatting. Just put Excel conditional formatting, how it works, how it should be done. So automatically it gives all information how it should be. Select the cells, then format, then home, conditional formatting, then highlight rules, then data box. Based on that, it can be done. Perfect. Whereas in Google, it gives multiple answers. We have to search one by one. But here it gives only one answer. We have to slightly modify the rules. Then perfectly, it is very good, and you can learn a lot of things from ChatGPT. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.